Amazon Cloud Directory is a highly available multi-tenant directory-based store in AWS. These directories scale automatically to hundreds of millions of objects as needed for applications. This lets operations staff focus on developing and deploying applications that drive the business, not managing directory infrastructure. Unlike traditional directory systems, Cloud Directory does not limit organizing directory objects in a single fixed hierarchy. With Cloud Directory, you can organize directory objects into multiple hierarchies to support many organizational pivots and relationships across directory information. For example, a directory of users may provide a hierarchical view based on reporting structure, location, and project affiliation. Similarly, a directory of devices may have multiple hierarchical views based on its manufacturer, current owner, and physical location. At its core, Cloud Directory is a specialized graph-based directory store that provides a foundational building block for developers. With Cloud Directory, developers can do the following: create directory-based applications easily and without having to worry about deployment, global scale, availability, and performance. Build applications that provide user and group management, permissions or policy management, device registry, customer management, address books, and application or product catalogs. Define new directory objects or extend existing types to meet their application needs, reducing the code they need to write. Reduce the complexity of layering applications on top of Cloud Directory. Manage the evolution of schema information over time, ensuring future compatibility for consumers. What Cloud Directory is not. Cloud Directory is not a directory service for IT administrators who want to manage or migrate their directory infrastructure. Before you can create a directory in Amazon Cloud Directory, AWS Directory Service requires that you first apply a schema to it. A directory cannot be created without a schema and typically has one schema applied to it. However, you use Cloud Directory API operations to apply additional schemas to a directory. For more information, see Apply Schema in the Amazon Cloud Directory API Reference Guide. To create a Cloud Directory. 1. In the AWS Directory Service Console, navigation pane, under Cloud Directory, choose Directories. 2. Choose Setup Cloud Directory. 3. Under Choose a Schema to apply to your new directory, type the friendly name of your directory, such as User Repository, and then choose one of the following options. Manage Schema. Sample Schema. Custom Schema. Sample schemas and custom schemas are placed in the development state by default. For more information about schema states, see Schema Lifecycle. Before a schema can be applied to a directory, it must be converted into the published state. To successfully publish a sample schema using the console, you must have permissions to the following actions. Cloud Directory Get. Cloud Directory List. Cloud Directory Create Schema. Cloud Directory Create Directory. Cloud Directory Put Schema from JSON. Cloud Directory Publish Schema. Cloud Directory Delete Schema. Since sample schemas are read-only templates provided by AWS, they cannot be published directly. Instead, when you choose to create a directory based on a sample schema, the console creates a temporary copy of the sample schema you selected and places it in the development state. It then creates a copy of that development schema and places it in the published state. Once published, the development schema is deleted, which is why the delete schema action is necessary when publishing a sample schema. 4. Choose Next. 5. Review the directory information and make any necessary changes. When the information is correct, choose Create. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.